The roe deer is a graceful and agile species that inhabits a wide range of environments across Europe and parts of Asia. This small to medium-sized deer is notable for its adaptability, surviving in both wild forests and human-altered landscapes. Over centuries, the roe deer has become an integral part of the ecosystem, playing a significant role in the balance of its natural habitats. Roe deer are small compared to other deer species, with a body length ranging from 95 to 135 centimeters and a shoulder height of about 63 to 67 centimeters. Adult males, called bucks, typically weigh between 10 to 25 kilograms, while females, known as does, are slightly lighter, weighing between 8 to 21 kilograms. The summer coat of the roe deer is a reddish-brown, which turns to a thicker, grayish-brown in winter. This seasonal change in coat color helps the deer blend into its surroundings throughout the year, offering camouflage from predators. One of the most distinctive features of the roe deer is its white rump patch, which becomes more pronounced when the deer is alarmed. Bucks also have small antlers, typically with 3 points, which they shed and regrow each year. These antlers are used during the rutting season to fight other males for mating rights. Roe deer are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of habitats, including woodlands, forests, grasslands, and agricultural fields. They are widespread across Europe, from the Mediterranean to Scandinavia, and their range extends into parts of Western Asia, including Turkey and Iran. In some areas, roe deer have also been introduced, such as in the UK, where they were reintroduced after becoming extinct in the 18th century. In terms of habitat preference, roe deer favor environments with dense vegetation, which provides cover and protection from predators. However, they are also known to venture into more open areas, especially during dawn and dusk when they are most active. This crepuscular behavior helps them avoid predators and human activity during the day. Roe deer are herbivores with a diet that varies according to season and availability of food. During the spring and summer, they primarily feed on a wide variety of herbaceous plants, leaves, and shoots. As autumn approaches, they shift to eating more fibrous vegetation, including grasses, heather, and tree bark. In winter, when food is scarce, they rely on buds, young shoots, and even evergreen plants. Roe deer have a highly selective feeding behavior, often choosing the most nutritious parts of plants. This selectivity helps them maintain a balanced diet and ensures they get the necessary nutrients to survive, especially during the harsh winter months. The reproductive behavior of roe deer is one of the most interesting aspects of their biology. The breeding season, known as the rut, occurs between July and August. During this time, bucks become highly territorial, marking their areas with scent and engaging in aggressive displays to ward off rivals. They also use their antlers to spar with other males, with the winner gaining access to the does in the area. After mating, the doe experiences a phenomenon known as delayed implantation, where the fertilized egg does not immediately implant in the uterus. This delay lasts until January or February, allowing the doe to time the birth of her fawn with the arrival of warmer spring weather when food is more abundant. The gestation period is about 290 days, and typically 1 or 2 fawns are born, although in rare cases, triplets can occur. Fawns are born with a spotted coat, which provides excellent camouflage in the dappled light of the forest floor. For the first few weeks of life, the fawns remain hidden in the undergrowth, relying on their mother's milk and only venturing out as they grow stronger. By the time they are weaned at around 3 months old, they are fully capable of following their mother and beginning to learn the skills they will need to survive in the wild. Roe deer are generally solitary animals, with the exception of mothers with fawns and during the rutting season when bucks seek out does. Outside of these periods, both males and females maintain their own territories. These territories can vary in size depending on the quality of the habitat and the density of the roe deer population in the area. Territorial boundaries are marked by bucks using scent glands located on their forehead, which they rub against trees and shrubs. These scent marks serve as a warning to other bucks to stay away. Roe deer also communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including barks and grunts, which are used to alert others to danger or during interactions with other deer. Roe deer are known for their agility and speed, which they use to escape from predators. When threatened, they can reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour and are also capable of making high, bounding leaps to evade capture. Their keen senses of hearing and smell further aid in detecting danger. Roe deer have a number of natural predators, including large carnivores such as wolves, lynxes, and bears. In some regions, golden eagles have been known to prey on young fawns. Human activities also pose significant threats to roe deer, particularly through habitat loss due to agricultural expansion, urban development, and forestry practices. Road traffic is another major threat to roe deer, with many individuals being killed each year in collisions with vehicles. These accidents often occur during the deer's peak activity times at dawn and dusk when visibility is low. Additionally, roe deer can be susceptible to various diseases and parasites, which can impact their health and survival. The roe deer is currently classified as a species of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, thanks to its wide distribution and large population. However, local populations can be affected by various factors, including habitat fragmentation, hunting, and disease. In many parts of Europe, roe deer are managed through controlled hunting, which helps to maintain population levels and prevent overgrazing, which can damage the environment. This management is often necessary in areas where natural predators are no longer present, and it also provides economic benefits through hunting tourism. Conservation efforts for roe deer focus on maintaining and restoring their natural habitats, as well as monitoring populations to ensure they remain healthy and sustainable. In some regions, rewilding projects have also been undertaken to reintroduce roe deer into areas where they have been previously extirpated. The roe deer has long held a place in the cultural heritage of many European countries. It has been depicted in art, literature, and folklore for centuries, often symbolizing grace, gentleness, and the beauty of nature. In some cultures, the roe deer is also associated with the forest spirits and deities, reflecting its deep connection to the natural world.